Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Vimeo for hosting brand video ads and tutorials, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Vimeo website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. You will be presented with multiple subscription options. Choose the plan that best fits your needs for hosting brand video ads and tutorials. Once you select a plan, click on the Get Started button for that option. You will now be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address and a secure password. Alternatively, you can sign up using Google or Facebook for quicker access. After filling out your details, click on the Join Vimeo button. Next, you may be asked to confirm your email address. Check your inbox for a confirmation email from Vimeo. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Upon confirmation, return to the Vimeo homepage and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon. Review your profile information and ensure everything is correct. Now, head to the billing section to enter your payment details. Input your credit or debit card information as prompted. Review your subscription details before proceeding to the next step. Click on the Start Subscription button to finalize your purchase. You will then gain immediate access to Vimeo's hosting services. Explore the platform's features to start uploading your brand video ads and tutorials. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard for easy navigation. Consider using Vimeo's customization options for your videos. Finally, start creating and uploading content to promote your brand effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.